We're proud of our AERIUM triathlon bikes. They're the fastest of their kind on the market, and that's testament to the efforts of our engineers. But what if you want to race time trials on a UCI-compliant machine? Well, we've thought of that too. Meet the all-new AERIUM C 68TT, a wind-cheating, PB-busting race bike designed to be the fastest a UCI frame can possibly be. Although it's based on the experience and technology we used to develop the AERIUM, the TT is a completely fresh design from the bottom bracket up. Working with the UCI regulations to ensure full compliance, our engineers began with a completely new set of computer fluid dynamics calculations, then tested the results in the wind tunnel. Every single profile of the frame has been changed from the original AERIUM, and all in the pursuit of ultimate speed.